Hi everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with day 10 of the Crochet Life Hacks series. So this is a series of all items that you can crochet to help make your life easier. And you might want to make them for someone else too, you know, help out your friends, help out your fellow man. So I don't know about you, but I have often gotten down to the car in the garage and realized, oh, I left the keys upstairs. I had to go back up for them. Or my phone or my wallet or whatever else it is that you need to take with you. Sometimes we forget those things, right? So this is called the Don't Forget Doorknob Organizer, and this pattern is by Deborah Arch. It is available on Ravelry.com. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up so I can take some screen grabs for you. Put them up here. This is a great idea. I really think this is a great idea. This was featured in Crochet World magazine in August of 2013 and also in the spring of 2021. So it's kind of like an idea that doesn't go away because it's just a great idea. Just want to see if there's any cost to this. Yes. Okay. So this pattern is available for $2.99. That's US dollars. And it is listed as a skill level of easy. So you are going to need a 3-inch metal ring for this because you're going to have to be able to fit it over the doorknob. Yeah, it doesn't look that difficult though. They do recommend using Omega Lespiga number 24 nylon cord. So this does use cord instead of just regular yarn. But it really looks like a great idea, something that's really going to be great and useful around the house. Yeah, let me know what you think of this, or is this something that you would get a lot of use out of? I know I probably would, you know, I would. All right, if you're interested in making this, just click on the link in the description box below. It's going to zoom you right to my Pinterest board. Find the picture, click on the picture, zoom you right to the pattern. Easy peasy, no stops along the way for ads or bloggy nonsense, okay? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this idea? What do you think of any of these ideas so far? Do you have a favorite? Are you looking forward to tomorrow? Do you like this type of content? All the YouTube stuff. Just let me know. All right, everybody. I will see you tomorrow with another fabulous idea. Until then, have a great day. Bye.